Hello class 3rd students. So today I will explain you the chapter of your book Living English, and the name of our chapter is chapter number 5, Alice in Wonderland. Okay, so this story is adapted from Alice Adventures in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. Okay, so this story is adapted means this part of the story is taken from the book Alice Adventure in Wonderland, and it is written by Lewis Carroll. Now the story starts with the Alice. This is the story of a little girl called Alice who falls through a hole in the ground. She lands in a strange place. What happens next? So this story revolves around a girl, and the name of the girl is Alice, and who falls through a hole in the ground. और जो एक होल जो होता है ग्राउंड में, गड्ढा जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं, उसमें वो गिर जाती है. ओके, एंड शी लैंड्स इन अ स्ट्रेंज प्लेस, और जाके बहुत ही अजीब प्लेस में जाके वो पहुंच जाती है. नाउ व्हाट हैपन्स नेक्स्ट, आगे क्या होगा, वी विल सी इन द स्टोरी. Alice was sitting with her sister on the river bank. So Alice, she was sitting with her sister on the river bank. So river bank is, as you can see in the image, it is the side of a river. Okay, जिसे हम नदी का किनारा भी कहते हैं. She was tired of doing nothing. Once or twice she peeped into the book her sister was reading. So Alice, she was tired. Tired means when you feel very low, जब आप थक जाते हो. Okay, so she was tired of doing nothing. उसके पास कोई काम नहीं था और वो बहुत थक चुकी थी. Once or twice she peeped into the book her sister was reading. So उसने क्या करा, एक दो बार उसने अपनी जो सिस्टर है उसकी बुक में झांका. Peep means जब आप किसी when you look someone or something from a narrow space, आप जब झांकते हो. ओके, so she peeped into the book her sister was reading. उसने अपनी जो सिस्टर है वो एक बुक पढ़ रही थी उसकी सिस्टर, तो उसने उसकी बुक में झांका. The book had no pictures or conversation in it. So the book her sister was reading, it has no pictures or conversation. उसमें ना ही कोई पिक्चर थी और ना ही कोई कन्वर्जेशन था. ओके, now Alice thinks that what is the use of a book without pictures or conversation. तो Alice सोचती है कि ऐसी बुक का क्या फ़ायदा. what is the use of the book that doesn't have any picture or conversations. ओके, जिसमें ना ही कोई पिक्चर होगी और ना ही कोई कन्वर्जेशन होगी. जैसे अगर आपको अभी एक बुक दे दें, उसमें देयर विल बी नो पिक्चर्स, तो यू विल फील बोर्ड टू रीड. ओके, सो एलिस भी यही सोचती है. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड नेक्स्ट. Suddenly a white rabbit with pink eyes ran close by her. So suddenly she found a white rabbit with pink eyes, and the white rabbit ran close by her. वो उसके नज़दीक से जाके गुजरा. Now the rabbit seemed worried. It said to itself, oh dear, I shall be late. So now the rabbit, he seemed very worried. Worried means जब आप परेशान हो जाते. तो रैबिट था वो बहुत परेशान दिख रहा था, और उसने अपने आप को क्या कहा, ओ डियर आई शैल बी लेट, कि आज तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा लेट हो जाएगी. It took a watch out of its waistcoat pocket, looked at it, and then hurried on. So उसने क्या करा, उसने he just took a watch from its waistcoat. Waistcoat is this type of a cloth that you wear on your upper body. Okay, and it has pockets. So उसने अपने pocket से watch निकाली and वो उसे देखने लग गया. And then hurried on, और फिर वो भागा. Alice jumped to her feet. She had never before seen a rabbit with either a waistcoat pocket or a watch to take out of it. Okay, so Alice को बहुत ही शौक लगा, because she had never, उसने कभी भी एक रैबिट को वेस्टकोट के साथ और इधर पॉकेट से वॉच निकालते हुए कभी नहीं देखा था. ओके, now she ran across the field after it. She was just in time to see it pop down. So उसने क्या करा, उसने उस रैबिट का पीछा करा. She ran towards the rabbit and she was just in time to see it pop down. उसने क्या देखा, जो rabbit था he popped down into a hole. Pop down means घुसना किसी भी चीज में. Okay, so उसने क्या देखा, as you can see in the image, the rabbit popped down in a hole. Okay, a large rabbit hole under some bushes. The next moment down went Alice after the rabbit. So Alice saw that there is a big hole and it is under some bushes. वो कुछ झाड़ियों के नीचे था. And the next moment, और उसके अगले ही वक्त जो एलिस थी, she went down. Okay, वो भी उस होल के अंदर घुस गई. She never once thought how she would get again. The rabbit hole went straight on like a tunnel for some distance and then dropped down so suddenly that Alice found herself falling down a very deep well. So Alice ने क्या करा? Alice thought that how she would get again. उसने ये भी नहीं सोचा कि that she is falling down in a tunnel. So how she would get again. She would go upwards. अगर वो एक टनल के अंदर जा रही तो वो कैसे बाहर निकलेगी, उसने इस बारे में नहीं सोचा. And she went straight on a tunnel. और वो उस टनल में जाके घुस गई. And then dropped down so suddenly that Alice found herself falling down a very deep well. उसने क्या देखा? वो धीरे धीरे एक बहुत ही गहरे गड्ढे में जाके गिर रही है. Either the well was very deep or she fell very slowly, for she had plenty of time to look about her and wonder what was going to happen next as she went down. So या तो वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा डीप था या she fell very slowly, या तो वो बहुत धीरे गिर रही थी क्योंकि उसके पास इतना टाइम था. Plenty of time means when you have enough time, okay, to look about her and wonder what was going to happen next as she went down. Okay, so she was going down very स्लोली कि वो उसके पास इतना टाइम था कि वो इधर उधर देख रही थी और वो ये भी सोच रही थी कि उसके साथ क्या होगा आगे. She looked at the sides of the well and noticed that they were filled with cupboards and bookshelves. तो उसने क्या देखा? She looked, as you can see in the image, she looked towards the wall of the well and she found that there are cupboards and bookshelves. और वहाँ पे क्या है? Cupboards and bookshelves. Cupboards are basically this type of a box or a cupboard where you put your clothes or anything, okay, valuable. Here and there she saw maps and pictures hung upon pegs. So उसने क्या देखा कि there are some maps and pictures that is hanging on some pegs. Pegs is basically the nails, okay. जैसे आप किसी भी फ्रेम या किसी भी पिक्चर को अगर आप वॉल पे टांगते हो तो फर्स्ट यू पुट सम नेल्स, ओके. पहले आप कुछ कील जो दीवार पे वो लगाते हो, फिर आप मैप्स और पिक्चर्स हंग करते हो. सेम वाइज द पेग्स आर कॉल्ड दीज nails, okay. She took down a jar from one of the shelves as she passed by it. It was labeled orange marmalade. तो वो जैसे ही नीचे गिर रही थी, she took a jar from one of the shelves. उसने क्या करा? जो शेल्फ थी उनमें से एक शेल्फ में there was a jar and it is labeled. Labeled means it is written on it that orange marmalade, okay. So marmalade is basically the jelly that we form with the citrus fruits, like आपका हिंदी में उसे कहते हैं मुरब्बा, okay. So she found out one jar. As you can see, she was falling down and she found one jar from one of the shelves and it is written orange marmalade on it. But to her great disappointment, it was empty. She managed to put it into one of the cupboards as she fell past it, okay. So but the jar, it was empty. जो जार था वो खाली था. बट शी मैनेज, बट उसने मैनेज करा कि जैसे वो फॉल डाउन हो रही थी, व्हेन शी वॉज फॉलिंग डाउन, उसने वो जार दोबारा किसी और कबर्ड में जाके रख दिया. शी लैंडेड इन अ लॉन्ग हॉल ऑन अ हीप ऑफ ड्राई लीव्स. देयर वर डोर्स ऑल अराउंड द हॉल. सो where she landed when she was going down in the well, she landed on a heap of dry leaves. Heap of dry leaves are basically this bunch of leaves, okay. So bunch of leaves, heap of dry leaves के ऊपर जाके land होगी. And there she saw a huge hall. उसने वहाँ जाके नीचे जाके क्या देखा कि there is a huge hall and there were doors all around the whole hall, okay. So हर जगह क्या है? Doors हैं. In the center was a solid glass table on which lay a tiny gold key. Alice soon found that key fitted into the smallest of the doors. So there she found a glass table. उसने वहाँ जाके क्या देखा? That हॉल के सेंटर में क्या है? ग्लास का टेबल, ओके. ऑन विच ले अ टाइनी गोल्ड की. ओके, और उसके ऊपर क्या है, देयर वॉज अ टाइनी गोल्ड की लाइंग ऑन दैट ग्लास टेबल. Alice soon found that key fitted into the smallest of the doors. Okay, और उसे जल्द ही पता चल गया एलिस को. As you can see that the key which she found, it fitted into the smallest door. As you can see in the image, there is one small door, और वो जो की है वो किस पे फिट हो रही है, ये small door पे. Okay, the door opened onto the loveliest garden you ever saw. Okay, so जैसे उसने डोर ओपन करा तो उसे क्या मिला, एक loveliest garden, उसने बहुत ही सुंदर गार्डन देखा. However, she could not even get her head through the doorway. She took the key back to the table, and there she saw a little bottle with the words "Drink me" on it. Okay, but as you can see in the image also, that the door is very small and Alice is very big, so she could not get out. Okay, तो वो डोर से बाहर नहीं जा पाई. तो उसने क्या करा, उसने जो की थी, he just took it back and put it on the table. उसने वो टेबल में जाके रख दी. And there she saw a little bottle with the words "Drink me" on it. और उसने वहाँ जाके क्या देखा, that there is a bottle, as you can see in the image, there is a bottle and it is written on the bottle "Drink me." Now the Alice said, "Okay, I will." तो एलिस ने कहा ठीक है, मैं इसे पीऊंगी. By the time she had finished the sweet tasting mixture, she was small enough to get through the door. तो जैसे ही उसने वो बॉटल का स्वीट टेस्टिंग मिक्सचर उसने पिया, when she drank it, she was small enough to get through the door. वो श्रिंक हो गई और वो बहुत छोटी हो गई, और वो इतनी छोटी हो गई कि वो उस डोर से बाहर जा सकी. Afterwards, she decided to pick up the key. Now, अब उसने जो की थी वो तो टेबल पे रख दी थी, तो उसे उस की को दोबारा लेना था. But she was very small, लेकिन वो बहुत small थी. तो alas, no matter how hard she tried, she could not climb up the slippery leg of the table to reach the key. But वो इतनी छोटी हो गई थी कि वो टेबल पे नहीं चढ़. She cannot climb the table. Okay. The poor little girl was so tired that she began to cry. Then through her tears she spied a tiny piece of cake in a glass box with the words "Eat me" on it. Okay, so जो poor little girl, it is mentioned poor little girl, and who is she? She is Alice. Okay, so Alice बहुत ही परेशान हो गई थी. Okay, and she began to cry. वो रोने लग गई. Then through her tears, उसने अपने जो उसके tears से उसने spied means जब किसी चीज को झांकते हो, okay, या तो देखते हो. So उसने क्या देखा, उसने देखा there was a tiny piece of cake. Okay, एक glass box पे एक tiny piece of cake था, and it is written, as you can see in the image also, there is a tiny piece of cake, and what is written on the piece of cake? It is written "Eat me." Now Alice again said, "Okay, I will." उसने दोबारा कहा ठीक है, मैं खा लेती हूँ. Okay. As soon as she ate the cake, she found herself shooting upwards until her head touched the roof. तो जैसे ही उसने उस piece of cake को खाया, so what she found herself shooting upwards. Shooting upwards means उसकी जो हाइट है वो अचानक से वो बढ़ने लग गई. Okay. And वो इतनी बढ़ गई कि that her head touched the roof. और वो जो उसका head है वो जाके कहाँ लगा, रूफ में. ओके, रूफ मीन्स योर छत. After a while, the white rabbit appeared. At the sight of her, he dropped his fan and gloves and scurried away. So जैसे ही वो अचानक से बड़ी हुई, तो there the white rabbit came. Okay, white rabbit वहाँ पे आया, और उसने जैसे ही एलिस को इतना बड़ा देखा, so उसने जो dropped his fan. Fan is not a ceiling fan, it is your hand fan. Okay, so उसके जो हाथ में फैन था उसने वो गिरा दिया, and gloves भी गिरा दिया, and scurried away. Scurried means when you walk fast or when you run. Okay, so he scurried away. So now Alice thought that dear how very strange everything is today. कि आज कितना ही strange day है. Okay, because everything is coming in a strange way. हर चीज अलग हो रही है. Alice said while picking up the fan. जो Alice थी उसने वो fan उठाया, and she said that I am getting smaller again. I wonder when I will be the right size. और वो जैसे उसने fan उठाया तो वो again she is गेटिंग स्मॉलर, वो दोबारा छोटी होने लगी. सो शी वॉन्डर दैट व्हेन आई विल बी द राइट साइड, और वो सोचती है कि मैं कब एक राइट साइज में होंगी. ओके, राइट साइज मीन्स राइट हाइट. ओके ओके, थैंक